In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions to an invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put clear payment terms, so your customer sees them on the invoice and in the email you send. Start by signing into Xero and heading to the sales area. This is where all your receivables live, so it's the best place to manage invoices. Open the invoices section to see your list, then create a new invoice. You'll land on the invoice editor, which is where we'll add all the key details and your terms. Choose the contact for this invoice. Make sure you select the correct customer so the invoice goes to the right place and applies to the right account. Then set a due date. Pick a date that matches your standard payment window, like 7, 14, or 30 days, so it aligns with the terms you are about to add. Next, add the item or service you're billing for. Select the item from your catalog if you have one, or type a description that clearly explains what the customer is paying for. Adjust the quantity to match the number of units, hours, or deliverables. Take a quick moment to confirm the prices and totals look correct, so your terms and conditions reference the right amounts. Now, add your terms. Look for the option to add a note on the invoice and click it. In the note area, type your terms and conditions in clear, plain language. Keep them concise but specific. For example, state the payment timeframe, the accepted payment methods, and what happens if payment is late. You can also include details about delivery or service timelines, how disputes will be handled, and any references the customer should include when paying. Aim for wording that avoids ambiguity, like payment due within 14 days of invoice date. Late payments may incur a fee, so there's no confusion. A quick proofreading pass helps ensure everything is professional and easy to understand. When you're happy with the invoice and the terms, choose Approve and Email. This moves the invoice to an approved state and opens the email window. Review the email content so it matches your tone and confirms the essentials. Finally, send the email. Your customer will receive the invoice with your terms clearly visible, helping set expectations up front and reducing back and forth later. That's it. You've created the invoice, added clear terms and conditions, approved it, and sent it off, all within Xero. With this approach, every invoice communicates your payment rules consistently and professionally.